Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are at night.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariam if you're new here. Today I am going to organize my wardrobe. I have to exchange summer clothes and the winter clothes. I have to exchange. Here I have all of these are winter clothes and here are spring and summer clothes. Back you guys. I haven't finished to put everything, but I fold all the clothes. They are up here on the here. So now I have to put everything that remained inside here. So now I've decided this part here I'm going to put top like this, crop top like this one. Yes. So I'm going to put them here. So I'm going to keep this here.
Hello.
So now I have to remove some winter night dresses and sweatpants from this drawer and keep there down. And here I'll keep the clothes for summer and spring. So okay. Example, this one here is for winter. And they were still here, so exercise. Example, this one now I don't wear again.
Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives. I don't need that type of drama and trying to be tough all the damn time. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on, shoot me down.
Okay, so this first drawer here is broken. So right here I kept only the things for exercising, and then right here I'm going to keep here some. So I'm going to keep here some clothes for staying at home, like t-shirts. Okay. So here I have to remove some of the clothes. Example, this top here I wear only when I go out. So I have to remove and put in the other parts there. And these ones are still new, the one I got from Primark.
Mommy finger, brother finger, sister finger,
Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives. I don't need that type of drama and trying to be tough all the damn time. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on, shoot me down. I will always get up again. You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real? Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know
guys, so I have finished to do everything. So okay, let me just take you through like how I organize everything. So this is like capsule wardrobe. I left only two sweater, gray and the black one. It will be a little bit cold now if the weather will change. And here I have all my shirts and like jeans shirt and normal shirts. And here I have top, like top. This is short because I have to iron this. Here I have one trouser and skirts. I kept them here. Okay, so here I have all the dresses, few dresses, like these are only dresses that I have, you guys. Up here I kept sleeve like this one from Primark. These ones are my favorite. I picked these ones here last time when I went to Primark. Here I have beige and white, black. Next time when I go to Primark, I have to pick more of these because I use them all the time. And here I have like all my crop top. I kept them here, crop top too. And this is my handbag. Like if you know me, you know like I always wear like only one handbag. So I exchanged this one. Before I used to wear this one here because I like small handbag. All of these are from Primark. So I used to wear this one and now I exchanged to this one because this one now is old. As you can see, is too old now and it's broken. So that's why I replaced to this one. So this one here is my everyday handbag from Primark. Look how cute is this. So this is how I wear this, like this. I really don't like to wear it like this because it's a little bit too long. I think it looks cute when you wear like this. Or sometimes just carry it like this. So yeah. So this one stays here. And here I have like wallets. And here I have coins. And up there, so okay, up there I kept all the sweaters for winter. As you can see, all of this sweater for winter. Just few jackets, but other jackets are in other wardrobe. And like scarf, jacket, dresses, just the things for winter. So this part here I have all the hats that I use for summer. This one here is my favorite. I don't want to destroy it with this one. And it's a little bit now like it's not so perfect. So this one here is one of my favorite. I wore this all the time last year on summer. Okay, this here I picked this one from Primark. I think this one is from H&M, maybe. Yes, this one is from H&M. This one is so cute. And here I have this white one, so classic. I really like this and it's still in good shape. I wear this like this. This part here I kept all my dresses, my jeans and my summer trousers here. And down here sweater and sweatpants. And down there I have all the trousers and pajama. So here I keep all the things for walking out, like sleeve, and these are old t-shirts that I don't wear anymore. And here I keep all the skirt, shorts and dresses for staying at home. And here I have pajamas. And here, so down here I have all the t-shirts for staying at home. Yeah. Okay, you guys, so I really hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you like it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys on my next.